Beaches and palm trees are everywhere you look in Florida, making it the perfect playground for a family vacation filled with adventure. In this feature, we dive into the sun-soaked realm of best beach resorts in Florida for every family, showcasing the ultimate spots for family fun. From luxurious accommodations to kid-friendly water parks, these resorts offer something special for everyone. Stay until number 1, which may surprise you. 10. TradeWinds Island Grand Beach Resort. TradeWinds Island Grand Beach Resort offers the ultimate beachfront getaway on 31 acres of St. Pete's white sand beaches. This all-inclusive family-friendly resort boasts a 3-story water slide, snorkeling, and a floating water park. Parents can unwind with spa treatments or relax in a VIP cabana, while kids enjoy the no-kidding daycare center and summer camps. The resort fee includes beach cabanas, mini golf, access to 7 pools, beach volleyball, dive-in movies, and water slides. With endless fun for all ages, this resort delivers the perfect mix of relaxation and adventure for every family. 9. JW Marriott Miami Turnberry Resort and Spa. JW Marriott Miami Turnberry Resort and Spa beckons water-loving families to its premier attraction, Tidal Cove. Nestled in Aventura, this top-rated hotel water park spans 5 acres of aquatic fun and is accessible for free to hotel guests, with day passes available for locals. Here, thrill seekers can experience the nation's first Flowrider triple surf simulation pool. Challenging themselves across 3 distinct surf zones, adventure continues as you ascend the 60-foot tower, ready to speed down one of 7 exhilarating slides, including the mammoth 558-foot Constrictor slide. For a more relaxing experience, drift along the lazy river, surrounded by a lush tropical paradise. Tidal Cove offers an unbeatable blend of excitement and leisure, making it a standout destination for families seeking both adrenaline-pumping rides and serene water escapades. 8. Holiday Inn Club Vacations at Orange Lake Resort. Holiday Inn Club Vacations at Orange Lake Resort in Orlando offers the ideal escape for families. Unlike typical hotel accommodations, the resort provides spacious apartment-style suites with private bedrooms, full kitchens, and even laundry facilities. It's not just the roomy interiors that make it exceptional. The resort boasts multiple on-site dining options, from casual to fine dining. For entertainment, families can enjoy 2 arcades, mini golf, numerous pools with slides, a lazy river, and a splash pad. Golfing parents have access to an 18-hole course. Best of all, it's just a 15-minute drive from Disney World, making it a perfect base for theme park adventures. 7. Sirata Beach Resort. Sirata Beach Resort in St. Pete Beach, Florida, is a true beach lover's paradise. Located just steps from the sugar white sands and crystal clear waters. Recently renovated, this all-inclusive resort now boasts updated guest rooms, restaurants, and pools, enhancing its already appealing aesthetic. With a total of 382 guest rooms and 170 suites, each offering stunning beach views, the resort caters to all guests, including those with pets, providing pet-friendly rooms and a special pet menu. Dining options are plentiful with 3 excellent restaurants, 2 of which are situated right on the sandy beach, perfect for meals with a view. Activities like scavenger hunts and kickball are included in the resort fee, ensuring family fun. Kids will love the Sprout Splash Zone, themed around sea turtles, while adults can enjoy daily happy hours. The resort also offers 2 pools, complimentary beach chairs, boogie boards, and discounts on water sports equipment, making it an ideal spot for a family getaway. 6. Hammock Beach Golf Resort and Spa. Hammock Beach Golf Resort and Spa provides the perfect blend of leisure and excitement for families and golf enthusiasts alike. Nestled in a picturesque setting, this resort features a sprawling golf course where you can enjoy a peaceful game in a serene environment. Simultaneously, the family-friendly fantasy pool complex offers endless entertainment for children and the young at heart. Here, kids can delight in the thrilling water slides or take a more relaxed approach by floating down the lazy river. For those moments when adults need a respite from the activity, the resort also houses an exclusive indoor pool designated for adults only, allowing for a quiet escape. This tranquil pool area offers a perfect balance, ensuring that while the kids are having the time of their lives, adults can unwind in their own dedicated space. 5. Loews Portofino Bay Hotel. Experience the charm of the Italian Riviera at Loews Portofino Bay Hotel, a perfect getaway for families looking to immerse in a European-style vacation without leaving the U.S. The hotel features magnificently themed family suites, inspired by the movie Despicable Me, complete with Minions decor that kids will adore. Enjoy the heated pools, water slides, and a beach area that echoes the Italian seaside. Indulge in exquisite Italian cuisine at Bice Restaurant, or grab a coffee and gelato at on-site facilities. Plus, enjoy added perks like free transportation, early park entry, and express passes to Universal Orlando's theme parks, making every moment spent here a delightful adventure. 4. Pink Shell Beach Resort and Marina. Pink Shell Beach Resort and Marina epitomizes coastal Florida charm, offering guests a quintessential beachfront experience. Choose a cozy villa and start each day with a complimentary breakfast. Take advantage of the beach chairs and umbrellas for a perfect day under the sun. The resort's all-inclusive package includes access to a steam room, valet parking, a pool splash pad, and a fitness center. Enhance your stay with boat rentals, sailing lessons, and fishing excursions. Unwind at the 6,000-square-foot full-service spa. Dining is a delight with 3 restaurants, featuring options like a romantic candlelit dinner on the sand, ensuring a memorable stay at this premier destination. 3. CoCo Key Hotel and Water Resort. CoCo Key Hotel and Water Resort is a sun-soaked paradise near Universal Studios, offering a vibrant escape with its expansive outdoor water park. This resort features 14 thrilling slides, 2 restaurants, a tiki bar, and a lagoon designed for younger guests, with playful kiddie slides and fountains. A massive 54,000-square-foot canopy covers part of the park, providing shade to protect guests from the sun. The admission includes 4 water park tickets, shuttle service to Universal Orlando, and access to a kid-friendly arcade and fitness facility. CoCo Key ensures a fun-filled retreat with countless amenities that cater to both excitement and relaxation. 2. Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort. Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort captures the nostalgic charm of the 1950s and 1960s with its retro chic vibe, reminiscent of classic Florida beach resorts. Guests can enjoy early access to the wizarding world of Harry Potter, entering up to an hour before general park opening with proper theme park admission. The resort features a stylish on-site water park, complete with a water slide that mimics a dive tower, a lazy river, and a vast pool area. Additionally, Volcano Bay Water Park is just a short walk away, making it easy to experience more aquatic adventures during your stay. 1. Little Palm Island Resort and Spa. Little Palm Island Resort and Spa is an exclusive luxury retreat in the Florida Keys, perfect for families with adult children, 18+. This secluded island oasis features beachfront bungalows with a British West Indies-inspired design, blending classic charm with modern luxury. Guests can indulge in indoor-outdoor spa treatments, gourmet alfresco dining, and breathtaking ocean views. The resort stands out for its unique adventure experiences, including backcountry fishing, coral diving, aerial sightseeing, and even skydiving. Whether you're seeking relaxation or thrilling activities, Little Palm Island offers a once-in-a-lifetime escape, making it one of Florida's most extraordinary hidden gems. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and recommendations.